Today we will learn the design on dupattas. Before watching the video, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification when I upload the video. Hello friends, today we will learn the design which I am doing on dupattas. This design looks beautiful and it is easy to do. You can do this design on chunris, dupattas, kurtas, churidar or cushion covers. Let's start with the design. For the design, I am using 2 strands embroidery thread. Bring out the needle from the fabric. Then put inside the needle in fabric like this. See the thread movement. This stitch is similar to the back stitch. But for this design, we are using one bigger stitch and one smaller stitch and so on. We have to fill this area using the stitch till it becomes a round shape. Continue the stitch. Now the back stitch is over. Now we will do this stitch. This stitch is a simple stitch. You have to fill this area till it becomes a round shape. See the thread movement. Now we will do one more design of such stitch and we will continue this stitch till the design is complete. You have to stitch till it becomes round design. You can do such designs on kurtas, churidars, cushion covers or dupattas. Continue with the stitch. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Now this part of design is complete. Now we will do this part of design. Bring out the needle from the fabric. This stitch is a normal stitch. See the thread movement. Stitch till the area is completely filled and it look like a drop. Now we will continue with the stitch and complete this design. If you want me to do video on particular stitch or a design, please comment and do like my video. Here I am applying these chamkis. For this I am using the normal thread. Using thread, I am applying the chamkis here. These chamkis are easily available in market. Now this design is complete. Isn't it looking beautiful and easy to do? Please like and share video and subscribe my channel for more such videos.